Good morning, girls and guys. How are you all? I hope you all are feeling fine at your places, and I'm very sure you all are taking great care of yourself. Well, guys, as you know very well, that we have started our topic, the physical features of Pakistan, right? And I have delivered, I think, if I'm not wrong, three lectures on this topic, and this is going to be your this is going to be your fifth lecture. Yeah, in first lecture, we guys have discussed about the term physical features, then we have discussed about mountains of Pakistan, okay, and then we talked about the plan areas of Pakistan, and in that phase, we have discussed about the upper Indus plan and the lower Indus plan, and about the fertility of their lands, right? Then we discussed about the coastal areas of Pakistan, and we talked about the main projects, between China and Pakistan, and the one man giant project, that is CPAC. We discussed that one as well. And then we talked about the plateaus of Pakistan, and this is a finally time to talk about the deserts of Pakistan. Yes, guys, you heard right. We are going to discuss about the main deserts of Pakistan. What you have to do, you have to open, please, your book page number 33. Make sure you all have along with you loose sheets or rough register or something like that. Okay, you have to note down the important points of the lecture because your assignment is about these important points. Okay, guys, the southeastern part of Pakistan consists of deserts, and guys, this area includes Bahawalpur, Sakhar, Khanpur, Mirpur Khas, and Tharparkar. Well, the following main deserts of Pakistan are, Thal Desert, Third Desert, Cholistan Desert, and one more desert is a Nara, or you can say that Tharparkar Desert. Let's talk about each of the desert in detail. Okay, guys, before we discuss about the main deserts of Pakistan, it is very important for all of you to understand, what the meaning of desert is actually. Well, guys, let me tell you one thing that deserts have sand dunes. It means that the wind keeps blowing the sand, which keeps the sand dunes rolling. Guys, this happens because, as sand heaps up into the sand dunes, the wind blows the sand again. And, guys, this thing causing the dunes to roll over from its original place to another. In short, you can say that, in desert, the sand dunes are always rolling from one place to another, okay? And as you know very well that the main deserts of Pakistan are Thal Desert, Third Desert, and Cholistan Desert, okay? Let's talk about each of the desert in detail. Yes, guys. Firstly, we are going to talk about our, third desert. Guys, this desert is located in the southeast of Pakistan. It is also named as a friendly desert of Pakistan. Okay, this is something which you have to note down on your loose sheets or rough register. That third desert is known as a you can say that a most friendly desert because the temperature, or you can say that environment or amount of rain is far better than other deserts, and this desert is not harmful for humans, and humans can visit, and they can make their researches over there. Okay, that's why third desert is known as a most friendly desert of Pakistan. And one more thing which you have to note down is that the section of this desert situated in Bahawalpur division is known as Cholistan Desert. It's mean the next desert which we are going to discuss, that is Cholistan Desert, and that desert is situated, the part of third desert which is situated in Bahawalpur is known as Cholistan Desert. Okay, you can say that Cholistan Desert is the extension of third desert, and third desert is known as one of the most friendly deserts. Okay, and guys, this desert extension of Rajasthan desert in of India as well. Okay, you can say that this desert is the extension of Rajasthan desert which is in India. Okay, because as you know very well that before partition, India and Pakistan was known as a one country. Not India and Pakistan, many other states as well. Okay, it was known as a subcontinent. So when the country divided into different parts, subcontinent divided into different countries, then the desert which Pakistan Pakistan received that desert known as Third Desert, and Third Desert is a part of, or you can say that the extension of Rajasthan Desert. And guys, Cholistan Desert is the extension of Third Desert. Okay, that is something which is very important, and I want you to keep this thing in your mind. So let's talk about our next mentioned desert. Yes, the next desert which we are going to talk about, that is Third Desert. Guys, this desert is located in Punjab between Indus River and Jhelum River, and this is something again which you have to note down on your rough notebook or loose sheet, that which desert is located in Punjab. Guys, Third Desert is located in Punjab between Indus River and Jhelum River. Okay, guys, this desert covers the area of Miawali, Muzaffarabad, Laya, and Bakar. Right, so that's all from our Third Desert. So let's discuss about our Cholistan Desert. Girls and guys, as you know very well, I have told you that Cholistan Desert is the extension of Third Desert, and Third Desert is known as one of the most friendly deserts. And guys, the area which is situated in Bahawalpur is called, it's called as Cholistan Desert. In short, I want to tell you that the area of Third Desert, which is situated in Bahawalpur, is known as Cholistan Desert. Okay, guys, you can say that it is the extension of Third Desert into the southeastern side of Punjab. Right. So that's all from our Third Desert. And Cholistan, we have discussed about Third Desert and Cholistan Desert. So let's discuss about one more type of desert which is not mentioned inside your notebook, and that is Karan Desert. Guys, the Karan Desert is located in the northwest of Balochistan, or the average rainfall is less than 100 millimeters. It's mean that this is the most dangerous desert of Pakistan, because here rainfall is extremely less, and there is no vegetation and not any kind of plantation occurs here. That's all from this lecture. And guys, if you have any queries, if you have any questions related to this, you can ask me at any time. Okay, so let's talk about our assignment. Well, before we talk about our today's assignment, it is very important to recall the lecture which we have discussed today. Girls and guys, we have discussed about one of the most important physical feature of Pakistan, and that is deserts, right? Previously, we guys have discussed about mountains, plain areas, plateaus, coastal areas, and that was the last mentioned physical feature of Pakistan, and that was the desert which we have discussed today. Well, you have to keep one thing in your mind, that the physical, basically here I'm giving you the revision part of your today's lecture, which you have to keep in your mind. Guys, the physical feature of a country are its mountains, rivers, plain areas, right? This is called the physical feature. Physical feature mean the physical extension, physical existence, okay? Something which have a physical existence, which you can touch, which you can even see from your own eyes, is called a physical feature. For example, right now, what are the physical features of this, room where I'm sitting right now? In front of me, there is a table. I can touch that table. That table has a mass value. Okay, that's why this table is in the category of physical feature of the room. And in front of me, there is a couch. I can touch that couch. It has some volume. It has some mass. That's why it has a existence. That's why I'm going to call that part of my room as a physical feature. I have a heater. I have LED, something like that. All the things which are visible, which are tangible, to whom I can touch, they are called physical features. So you have to see in your surrounding that what are the physical features of your room. Okay, so guys, the physical features of any country are its mountains, plateaus, rivers, seas, oceans. These are the physical features of any country, right? And plateaus as well, deserts as well. Well, you can say the physical map of Pakistan shows that there are a number of peculiar features which are found in Pakistan. Guys, that means, the land of Pakistan is different in different areas of Pakistan. So you can say that we can see the snow-capped mountains in the north of Pakistan. And I have told you that what we have in the south of Pakistan. Any guesses? Okay, let me tell you, I really can't hear your guesses, guys. In the south of Pakistan, we have vast fertile land. It's mean the land which is good for growing crops, and as you know, Pakistan is an agricultural country, so that's why that land is very important. So, guys, we have the river system as well in the south of Pakistan. While, guys, in the west we have deserts, which we have discussed today. And, guys, all these features are called the landforms of Pakistan. Or you can say that your country, Islamic Republic of Pakistan, has beautiful combination of different, or you can say that the various physical features and which we have discussed in our previous lectures. Okay, if you want me to revise that lecture, or if you want me to give one lecture as you can say that summary of all the previous lectures, or you can say that as a yeah, summary of all the previous lectures, so I'll give you. Okay, so you just have to notify me if you want me to deliver, as a summary of all the previous lectures which I have delivered on the topic physical features of Pakistan. I'll do for you. Okay, I have no you can say that I have no hesitation to recall all the previous lecture, because these lectures are very important for you to understand what are the basic physical features of Pakistan. Well, guys, in the mountains, we guys have discussed that in Punjab, Punjab has no such high mountains, but it has some heights which are Kirana range, Salt range, Sakasra range, Kalachita range, and these are the little high mountains of Punjab. And I have told you that in Punjab there is no coastal area, and we guys have definitely some good plain areas which are good for growing crops, and we are producing our most of our economies, foreign exchange from our agriculture. Then we guys have discussed about CPAC. I have told you that CPAC has increased the importance of the coastal region of coastal region or coastal areas of Pakistan, especially about Gwadar, because Gwadar is one of the most important seaport, right? All the water transport is happening because of Gwadar. And I've told you that CPAC is a shortcut way for China to reach in the Middle East and all the countries which are far away from China. So Pakistan is sitting on the corridor. Okay, Pakistan has an important geographical location. That's why China has planned, to discuss, to made different kind of projects such as road network, trains and such kind of network which connect China, which can connect China to the Middle East, right? So China will get a short way to export its product to different countries. That's all from CPAC. Then we guys have discussed about plateau. I have told you that a plateau is a high flat land. Okay, and that's all from the revision of previous lectures. So let's talk about our today's assignment. Yes, guys, today we have discussed about the main deserts of Pakistan. Okay, we have discussed each of the desert in detail, and this is the right time to talk about the assignment. Yes, guys, your assignment is only that you have to tell me that which desert is called a friendly desert. You just have to write down the name and reason as well, because your answer shouldn't be on one line. It should be on at least 5 lines, that you have to narrate the reasons. You have to tell that why that specific desert is known as a friendly desert and what are the reasons behind. Okay, why that desert is known as a friendly desert. You have to tell the reasons as well. And then the next and the most important assignment part is you have to draw the physical map of Pakistan. You have to highlight the physical regions and the physical parts of Pakistan. For this sake, you have to recall the definition of physical features, which I have told you, that what are the physical and the peculiar features of Pakistan. These are mountains, coastal areas, plateaus, plain areas, deserts, mountains. Okay, so it's mean that while drawing the map you have to highlight these important features. Okay, for example, if I will draw the map of my room, I will highlight the the physical features of this room, which I told you that they are one table, heater, LED, cupboard, couch, table, carpet. All are these are the physical features of my room. So when I will draw the map of this room, I will definitely definitely going to draw this as well. So as per your assignment, you have to draw the physical map of Pakistan. It's mean you have to highlight the physical features of Pakistan. Okay guys, that's all from our today's lecture. At the end of this lecture, I would like to say you all that make sure you all stay loyal and humble to your parents, to your friends, to your family friends, and to your teachers as well. Okay, so for this sake, please make sure you all are doing the assignments, because assignments are, you can say that assignments are the key to success. Okay, because assignments are not something from our book part or from your exercise or from the given exercise or something which you have already know. This is something which you guys don't know, which comes from your lecture. So it is very important for all of you to please listen the lecture carefully. Make sure you're playing the video till end, because we guys are putting so much efforts to make you understand every single part of the lecture during these thick days. Okay, thick or thin days, we used to do this thing, and I am very sure that you all guys are trying to you all are putting your efforts to understand the lecture. Okay, that's all from our today's lecture. We talked a lot. Okay, so right now I'm going to zip up. I'll see you in your lecture number 10. Till then, do whatever you want to do, man, but make sure you are not giving corona to your parents and someone who is near to you. See you. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.